Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, and in this video I'm going to walk you through some simple steps to activate or set up Hey Google on your Android device. So this is going to be a quick tutorial. Now let's jump in. So to set up Hey Google on your Android device, you have to go to the settings app on your mobile device and then scroll down and go to Google. Now here you have to simply scroll down and go to settings for Google Apps option. Now here you will see one option, search assistant and voice. So simply tap that, and now you have to go to Google Assistant. Now here you will see the option voice match under popular settings. Teach your assistant to recognize your voice. So you simply have to tap that, and now to turn it on for your mobile device you simply have to turn the toggle on. The next step is to press next. Get hands-free help from Google Assistant. So press next, and then you have to go through the information that is given here. Voice match allows your assistant to identify you and tell you apart from others. The assistant takes clips of your voice to form a unique voice model which is only stored on your device. Your voice model may be sent temporarily to Google to better identify your device. Alright, so yeah, you have to press I agree, and then you have to say OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Sounds great. So Hey Google is ready. Your device can now recognize your voice when you say Hey Google or OK Google. So as you can see, I have set up Hey Google on my Android device. Now you just have to tap finish. So you can also save your audio, but that is your choice. It will help improve the products that you use by saving your audio from search assistant and maps. So it's up to you if you want to use this option or not, or you can simply tap not now. So yeah, as you can see, Hey Google has been activated for my device. That was all for this topic. For more interesting and useful videos, do subscribe to my channel. You can mention all your issues, queries and suggestions in the comment box down below. And don't forget to visit my website, that is getassist.net, where I post similar content. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.